we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams.
Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing a power hour clean with me. So I will be setting a timer for 1 hour and trying to get as much done while the kids are napping. So let's see how much I can get accomplished. And if you're going to be cleaning along with me, let's go ahead and set our timer and get to the cleaning. I'm going to start off in the living room by picking up the toys that have managed to get their way onto the floor. The kids were playing with these before they had their lunch, so I'm going to pick that up and bring them over back into the playroom and then just work my way around the living room trying to tidy things up. There's also a stain on the carpet from a smoothie that was dropped on there, so I will be trying to remove the stain. And then we will move on into the kitchen because these two areas are like the main focus once you walk into the house, so I like to keep these as tidy as possible. So I'm going to take advantage of the kids' nap right now and get that done. So here's the stain I was talking about, and this was from a raspberry smoothie. So I've previously used this mixture outside for our outdoor carpet to remove a marinara sauce stain, and it worked really well. So I'm giving it another try, and all this is hydrogen peroxide mixed with a few drops of Dawn dish soap. So I'm going to scrub that on here, and once I'm done scrubbing it in, I'm going to spray it with some water just to rinse it off and pat dry with a paper towel. As you can see, this worked really well and picked up the stain right away with minimal scrubbing. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process in a couple of other stain areas that I noticed. Next, I'm going to be vacuuming the rug, and I'm going to move all of the furniture, or as much of the furniture as I can, off of it so that I can get a better cleaning. And then we will move on into the kitchen. We're all done in the living room, and I still have 48 minutes left on the timer. So now I'm going to clean up in the kitchen, just taking all of the dirty plates over to the sink so that I can get them loaded into the dishwasher, and then clean off the countertops and finish off with also vacuuming. Every time I wash the dishes, I like to scrub out the sink just so it's nice and clean, and I also find this to be therapeutic, especially once I'm rinsing it down. As you guys see in this clip, I really love this. But on this particular day, I decided to also go ahead and wash out the sink basket drainer, and you guys, it was so disgusting. I don't know how it got this bad, but when I pulled out the gasket or pulled it down, it was just full of dirt and grime, and it really smelled bad when I pulled it down. So I went ahead and took some baking soda along with the lemon vinegar to scrub this out because it was so gross. I'm honestly embarrassed to even show you guys this, but this is real life and things can get very messy. Now that this mess is situated, I'm taking some lemon essential oil and just adding some drops onto the rubber gasket to make it smell fresh again. I'm wrapping things up in the kitchen here, and it is just so satisfying to see the kitchen all nice and cleaned up, as well as the living room, because again, as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. So nothing better than to have this all tidied and cleaned up. And I still have some time left on the clock, so I'm going to go ahead and move into the master bathroom because I need to go ahead and wipe down the toilet in there, the vanity, and as much as I honestly can get cleaned up in there. And these power hours are really kind of an exercise as well, because I am just in a rush to get things done, that I'm doing things at a fast speed, and it's just like a workout all in one. By the end of this, I'm pretty much sweating, so I will take that as my exercise. I began by wiping down the mirrors and in the vanity, but I quickly began to feel the pressure of the clock, and I really wanted to clean the toilet out. So I switched over into the water closet to make sure that got done in case my time ran out, and then we will make our way back into the actual bathroom space to clean down the vanity and anything else we can get accomplished. I quickly wanted to mention my bathroom organization video, which I will link down below in case you guys have missed it, but that was one of my favorite videos to film as of yet, because it really just transformed the space and made everything easier to find. So if you've missed that, I will link it down below, so make sure to open that description box up and watch it. At this point, my timer is still in the kitchen and I have no idea how much time is left on it, so I'm just moving as fast as I can, trying to get as much accomplished. And if you're cleaning along with me, let me know in the comments how much you were able to get done. I love talking to you guys and knowing what all you were able to accomplish, especially during these power hours. I feel like the time pressure just motivates you to get more done because you're trying to move and beat the clock. So I'm curious to see what all you were able to get cleaned. I'm almost done with everything that I wanted to clean out in the bathroom, but as I'm wiping down these shower doors, I hear the timer go off. So I know that my 1 hour is up, but the kids are still sleeping, so I'm going to go ahead and set myself another 30 minutes so that I can finish up cleaning in the bathroom. And then I also want to start picking up in the playroom, see if I can get that done before the time is up or before the kids are up. And that's going to be all for today's video. As I was cleaning the playroom, Aiden woke up, so I had to hurry on up and just finish it and then go get him before he got too fussy. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, got the cleaning motivation you were looking for. Let me know in the comments again if you cleaned with me, what all you were able to accomplish, or what other videos you guys would like to see from me. Also, please like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you are new, and I would appreciate it if you would share this video with anyone else that you think might need this cleaning motivation or that would enjoy watching this. So thank you again for all the love and support, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.